Welcome back to my multiple analysis videos on Tuesday, 23rd of October with me, which pair market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar. Let's see this. This support has come in on euro dollar, 14.30. That was the reaction low that we saw in October, early on in October. Got tested last week and held the support, but again, the rally that we saw yesterday sold into, and the market has tested that support again today. Not broken it yet, but you look at these momentum indicators, they are sort of manoeuvring, I think, for a downside break, and certainly does look as though that the ongoing pressure is to sell into strength on euro dollar. The fact that we've been talking about resistance band sort of 15 big figure to 1550 is a bit of a pivot area. The fact that the market hit 1550 to the pip, fell off yesterday, I think that sort of adds to this sort of overhead supply area that we have on euro dollar, and you've got the rallies to get sold into. Again, I think sort of 15 big figure comes in as a basis of initial support of resistance. Sorry, it needs to be watched. 15 figure as a pivot. Again, that was the case yesterday. A bit of support based around 15 big figure, then broke to the downside, became some resistance on the way up. So I think that is your resistance initially. It needs a move above 1550 to improve, but then really does need above 1630, which is the reaction high from last week, to really sort of suggest a recovery is in play. But until that happens, I'd say selling into strength remains the bias on euro dollar. For a test of 1430, breach of that on a closing basis would open 13 figure, again the August low. So wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.